kind of thing. तो for 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, they come. जैसे हमारे भी से ग्लोबल स्कूल है, तो 2 Chinese girls they are with us for 5 weeks. अच्छा, okay. And उसके साथ रहना खाना हम देंगे सर उनको. Only they have to pay for the travel. तो उनके तो कोई एक इंटर से उनको खर्चा नहीं पड़ा सर. बच्चे उनको सीखने को मिल गया. And we are going to be a chapter of merit.
Hyderabad people had come, students from there.
Well, 15 students from Hyderabad. The DRS school is there, a very big school. They have come visit us for 3-4 days, 5 days.
5 days.
For 5 days, for a week they were here. Initiatives say we have NCC also from this year. So that
बच्चे आप देखो ना NCC के
बच्चे सर
सारे हमारे जीत के ले गए बच्चे
आज the first time डिस्प्ले होगा NCC का. Let's see आप लोग तो बताइएगा सर कैसा
NCC का सारे मतलब हमारे बच्चे
बेस्ट कैडेट को स्टूडेंट मिला तो सारे
NCC अमाउंट
every student has to go on a training for a certain period of time. For civil, not
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Vidya, sir.
Good afternoon. Dr. Ashish Singh, Chairman, Dean Street. Thank you,
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome once again. Once again, welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome again, sir. First year, sir.
आओ आज तुम्हें मैं एक बात जरा बतलाऊं, खेलों का कितना महत्व है ये तुमको समझाऊं। खेलों से सब कुछ मिल सकता हमको हंसते गाते,
खेल खेल में हम सभी सेहत खूब बनाते, उछल कूद कर मस्ती करते, जीवन का सुख पाते, ये आनंद बिना पैसे का हम खेलों से ही पाते।
खेल खेलने से ही सब में खेल भावना आती, खेल खेल में जीवन के सब बिगड़े काम बन जाते, हार जीत से ऊपर उठकर हम आदर्श बनाते,
रुपया पैसा धन दौलत सब खेलों से मिल जाता। सचिन
at Vidya Knowledge Park, I, Garima Bansal,
and I, Shiva Maheshwari, would like to extend a hearty welcome to our guests of honor who have made this occasion a moment of extreme pride and honor for not only our participants but the whole VKP family.
today we have with us a very highly respected and successful personality. So please put your hands together to welcome the chief guest, Brigadier Niresh Rathore.
We too have with us Mr. Rajendra Singhal, Joint Secretary, Merit Cricket Association, affiliated to BCCI, as our guest of honor, and Mr. Pullav as a token of our respect. I request Shri Pradeep Kumar Jain ji to kindly present a green welcome to Brigadier Niresh Rathore. A huge round of applause, guys.
Please put your hands together. Thank you so much, sir. Now I thank you for the honor, sir. I also lead.
A huge round of applause.
Sports all virtues, Vidya Knowledge Park has taken a vow to follow its course in an organized form by establishing a number of high-grade institutions on a usually large campus.
VKB provides a complete platform for a student to enhance and glorify him
society and nation at large. Vidya Anthem holds a great importance in the premises of VKP. It was sung and composed by Vidya fraternity itself.
Now to pay respect to the institution,
मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, ज्ञान और विज्ञान की हर पल अद्भुत ज्योति जलाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए। शिक्षण और प्रशिक्षण का यह मंदिर अजर अमर हो, शिक्षण और प्रशिक्षण का ये मंदिर अजर अमर हो, विद्या अर्जन करते हो, दीप जले राहों में उनकी मन प्रमुदित हो जाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए। मनसा वाचा और कर्मणा में हो ऐसी समता, मनसा वाचा और कर्मणा में हो ऐसी समता, सत्य सफलता की हो कुंजी, सब में हो वह क्षमता, सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम की चहुदिशि वर्षाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, विद्या का परिसर मंगल में ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए, ज्ञान सुधा बरसाए।
thank you everyone, please be seated.
Now, I would like to request HOD of Visa, Colonel B.D. Tyagi, to kindly come for the welcome speech. Huge round of applause.
Good morning, everybody present here. Respected Sri Pradeep Jain ji, Vice Chairman VKP, Sri Saurabh Jain ji, Executive Director VKP, and Sri Vishal Jain, the youngest member of the management team of the VKP. All directors of VKP, Principal VGS, all deans, all HODs, all faculty members, and all my dear students of VKP, I welcome you. On behalf of Vidya Parivar, I take this opportunity to extend warm welcome to our chief guest, Brigadier Naresh Rathore, who is a Deputy General Officer Commanding Paschim UP Severia, who could spare some time for our students. At the same time, I extend my warm welcome to Sri Rajendra Singhal ji, a member of BCC, and Sri Pulak Garg ji, who is associated with the selection of players of billiards. this prize distribution ceremony is the culmination of the 7-day sports event which we held as a part of celebration of Nirvana 2013. In these 7 days, we conducted many sports events such as football, volleyball, track events, kabaddi, kho-kho, golf, lawn tennis, table tennis, billiards, etc. There are no dearth of events with us in fact. And we hold these sports events to inculcate the spirit of sports and the spirit of competitiveness among the students, because as they leave the institution, they are entering in the world of competition, of the professional life. So, as you've seen here, it is the skill and quality which matter, which will make you the winner to acquire it. Otherwise, you will be a loser. And kick hard, you get the goal. As we say in the army, best or regardless, don't look back, God will help you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words.
When it is a soccer season, half the world is gripped by soccer mania. Soccer nations like Argentina, Brazil, Italy, Spain, England and Germany have historically ruled the game, but many nations still aspire for its trophy. Soccer fans can never have enough.
Soccer is an incredible game. Sometimes it's so incredible, it's unbelievable. So guys, let's put an end to all your excitements and announce the results for the final football tournament which took place this morning. The runners-up for the event was EC branch. Please put your hands together to congratulate them. And the first prize was won by the students of the first year. Can we have a loud round of applause, please? A hearty congratulations to them. Now, I would like to request the VKT management to please come up here and present a memento to our chief guest and guest of honor. Please put your hands together. Now I request our Executive Director, Mr. Saurabh Jain, to please facilitate our guest of honor, Mr. Rajendra Singhal. Please put your hands together.
Now I would like to request our Director Sir, Dr. R.C. Singh, to kindly facilitate our second guest of honor, Mr. Pullak Garg.
Please put your hands together.
Since 22nd of January, the sports fiesta is going on, and our athletes and players have put in their best to clear the preliminary rounds, quarterfinals, semis, and the deciding ones, the finals.
Now it's time to reward the worthy and collect the trophy. Abhishek Chauhan, Shantanu, Vivek, Varun, Nishant, Utkarsh, Piyush, Shashank, Shivam, Shashank Tyagi, Gaurav Garg, Ojasvi Saini, Kashish Gol, Kamit and Gopal Singhal. Please put your hands together to congratulate them.
एक ग्रुप फोटो का
वेट
थैंक यू
Led by Nishant, comprises of Nirdesh Kumar, Yavar, Dinesh, Anchal, Akshay, Naval, Kshitij, Naveen, Shubham, Anuj, Bhutesh, Prashant and Atul Chaudhary.
Please put your hands together to congratulate them. Very well done first year.
यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो आप बीच में आ रहे हो
सर थोड़ा क्लोज है आप लोग
तुम्हारा हाथ बीच में आएगा अन्ना बीच में आएगा इसे पीछे दे तुम्हारा हाथ बीच में
भैया
हमारा हाथ
थोड़ा
थोड़ा
पीछे आइए आप लोग हो गया
मार दो
ठीक है भैया
Aman, Shivam Kaushik, Shubhanshu Garg, Ankit, Shailesh, Himanshu and Mohit Kumar. Congratulations to you all.
थोड़ा घूम के भैया प्लीज सर
Continuous round of applause.
ठीक है
Thank you all. The captain is Abhishek Chauhan and the team comprises of Mohit Rajan Sharma, Arjun Sharma, Gaurav Chaudhary, Ishan Garg.
Please put your hands together to congratulate them. Well done, guys.
बैठे हुए बैठो
The next in round, Sumit Kumar, Anubhav Tyagi, Lokendra and Anshul Malhotra. Please put your hands together.
बैठ जाओ बैठ जाओ ठीक है भैया सामने
यार अब हाथ खींच
वंदे मातरम भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय
Thank you guys.
Shweta and Shweta.
आज एक ग्रुप बना लीजिए
Well done, girls. Now I would like to request Nancy Dipali.
तो भैया
बेटा आगे आना पड़ेगा तुझे, बैठ जाएंगे। ठीक है भैया।
It's the time for the badminton doubles. And first prize is paid by Lokendra Singh Best and Ishan Rastogi of EN 6 semester.
Congratulations, boys. Prize goes to Prashant Malik and Prashant Chaudhary from EN and MBA respectively. Please put your hands together.
एक एक करके दीजिएगा।
Award the winners.
आजा भैया, आप हाथ लगा लीजिए, हाथ लगा लीजिए सर, टच कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है। Excuse me.